Dear friends, my today's vlog about Congress achievement in 60 years. I am, being an ex-congressman, would like to inform you about the Congress achievement in India. What Congress achieved in 60 years of their rule. Recently, by this story, a guy came from abroad, non-resident Indian, to Bangalore after 20 years. He is a Modi Bhakt. Bhakt of Modi he is. As he landed at Bangalore airport, he saw and astonished to see Bangalore airport. He came out and took a taxi and he found a beautiful car, far more better than when he left India. He explores beautiful buildings and roads. After seeing the marvelous metro, he said to the taxi driver, "What Modi has done to India, he developed a lot. He built a beautiful airport, a marvelous metro." The taxi driver looked and cut his talk and said, "All these made by the Congress." He said all these buildings, roads, offices, metro, parks, gardens, schools, colleges, universities, secretariats, courts, office buildings, legislative buildings, water pipelines, sewerage pipelines, electrical lines, solar park to drip irrigation project, all is made by Congress and built by the Congress. And Modi's achievement in front of the Congress is 0.001%. What? 0.001%. When India was not able to produce a needle, Congress built everything. If you compare Modi or BJP achievement, it is nothing in front of Congress. This is only in Bangalore. Go to villages. Every village electrified, water system, sewerage system is there, schools are there, colleges, universities, dispensaries to hospitals in every district, engineering colleges, polytechnic colleges, office of the municipalities and other departments like the public works department or road and buildings or collector office, all built by the Congress. In every village and every district there is a school. Who did it? Who made it? Congress ruled for only 60 years. They built railway lines, roads and a transport system. State bus service to present luxurious bus service, all done by the Congress. In 60 years, Congress built a pin to plane. The taxi driver said in 60 years, Congress with meager resources, low manpower, without machines and technology built to India a superpower. What Modi did? Congress did electrification to 6.5 lakhs villages, whereas Modi did electrification to only 18,000 villages in his tenure. Congress built India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Today India is what Congress and other parties did. Modi enjoying the fruits. The plant was sowed and nurtured by the Congress. The NRI, thinking himself big shot, looks too small in front of the taxi driver. When he came home, seeing his ailing father, a retired government and a Congress supporter, he felt that his father was asking him what he wanted to know, what Congress did in 60 years. The school you studied is made by Congress. The college you got your inter degree was built by the Congress. The engineering college, you got the engineering degree built by the Congress. The schools, colleges, engineering colleges are not only building, they need to be manned, and this all done by the Congress. You got scholarships in school, colleges and professional engineering degrees provided by the Congress. You went for higher studies, the Congress government funded for higher education abroad. Now you are able to ask Congress what you did in 60 years. My dear friend, the story webbed to an argument with a Modi Bhakt. And the moral of the story is that we should be genuine, observe and study and judge. What you gain, what is on the ground, what you have and what you had and what you will be having. What are the facts? See the facts. Do not go with propaganda and fake, misguided messages, and try to see the world with your own eyes, not others' eyes. Use your brain and intellect to get the truth. Develop a good conscience. Judge things on merit. Do not soup yourself with flow, with air. Hold the ground. Judge the things. Think thrice before jumping to any conclusion. When I argued with the Bhakt, I realized that Congress people also did not know their achievement. That is the reason I bring this vlog. When Congress left the government in 2014, the Indian forex means foreign exchange. We have the reserve of $480 billion. Today we have $600+ billion. Merely, if Congress would be in power, we would cross around $2 trillion forex reserves. I felt stressed to see the achievement of Congress. Congress made India from pauper country to superpower, pauper country, beggar country to superpower. When we got independence, what we had, from there we started our journey, from scratch to superpower, building India brick by brick. We had British time infrastructure, but later we started our own. We built our own infrastructure. We built a huge army. We built layers of Indian protection system, paramilitary forces, BSF, CRP. We built Kashmir to Kanyakumari, police stations, and manned with the police, organized and disciplined. We made army. We created manuals, we created policies, we created systems, SOPs, SOMs, created a legal system. We created a legal system. We built courts in every district, around 675 district courts, high courts, Supreme Court. We built their buildings. We manned them. Develop the legal system. Huge work done by the Congress. Huge work done by the Congress. They built roads, rails, rail bridges, railway lines, railway bogies, and they make, trains. They made bridges, dams, parks, gardens, water reservoirs, sewerage system, municipal offices, electrical departments, roads and building departments. From the Congress created north to south and east to west railways. They made, network of the railway system, bus system, institutions, nearly 2 million schools, lakhs of junior college and degree colleges. They built medical colleges, law colleges, pharma colleges, dental colleges, nursing colleges, polytechnics, agriculture colleges, 500 universities, fine arts academies, institutions like ISRO, all made by the Congress. They make the huge companies, PSCs, coal mines of India. They created huge industries like steel. So Congress had made India a great country. Congress create IIMs, IITs, AIMS. My head boomerang to think all these things. Congress did all in 60 years with meager resources and low skilled manpower, no machines, no technology. Today we had everything. The Congress paid off, and what we are today, because of Congress, what we have today is because of Congress. Think about Congress. When I asked Bhakt what Modi did, he said abrogation of the 370, Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, Ayushman COVID vaccination, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Azadi ka Amrit Utsav, गरीब कल्याण योजना, प्रधान किसान समृद्धि निधि, उज्ज्वल योजना, ज्योति योजना, Vande Bharat. I will tell you, all these projects, some of the projects in this, all projects are Congress project. Modi just renamed it, like railway stations, like cities, they are renaming, like these schemes also renamed it. And what the new projects started by Modi government, most of the projects are failed projects. They talk about the Jyoti Yojana. Modi gave only 18,000 villages. He electrified only 18,000 villages only, whereas Congress gave 6.5 lakh villages. They electrified it. Yes. They talk about the AIMS, IIMs and IITs and some of the colleges built by the Modi government. In these colleges are still under progress, not yet completed. The campuses are temporary. This is a partially true because majority of the project pre-planned and designed by the UPA government, Congress government. These projects were designed that central government, state government and public sector, private sector will contribute to make these IIMs, IITs. So, this is not the work of Modi. This is Congress work. Congress planned it. The Modi government implemented. Modi hiked the fees in all IIMs, IITs. Modi hiked fees so much, middle class people unable to bear it. Modi hiked the fees. Faculties are empty and thousands of vacancies vacant in IIMs and IITs. These institutions are excellent because of heavy funding in research work. The Modi government gave 3% of the research work budget. How much? 3%. Big amount. 3%. For what? For research work. Otherwise, they are like a same engineering college what the private colleges is. IIMs like a same. You are studying in IIMs means you are studying in a private college is better. If there is no research work, there is no, the beauty of these institutions is to make research. And if there is no budget, only 3% if you give the budget, how they are going to, do the research. Majority government schools and colleges need teachers all over India. No recruitment, vacancies lying vacant. No faculty means no education. Students remain illiterate. Talk about the Vande Bharat. Vande Bharat is started in 1950. The train 18 project. Vande Bharat was started research work and working on this train in 1950s. The train 18 project of Congress, Modi renamed it to Vande Bharat. It was train 18. Congress dropped and shelved this project because it was not feasible and there was a danger, and there is a danger still to people's life, because train 18, which you call Vande Bharat, was not stable. The train 18 which you call Vande Bharat was not stable at above the speed of 110 to 120, whereas Shatabdi is stable at the speed of 160 180. Shatabdi is also safe. Congress shelved this project to think about public safety. Modi is using it for his publicity. Congress think about public and people safety, so they dropped it, they shelved it. Modi is using this project for his publicity. It's nothing more than that. Modi government, they cut the education budget. Congress, anyhow, whenever the second UPA government come, then the UPA first and UPA second government came, the Congress designed a new policy. That was a smart policy, that the providing scholarship to students directly, instead of investing in creating a new colleges or new schools, they plan that to bring the private sector to work for development of its educational system. So they designed right to education policy, and they provided the smart policy. They provided to give the scholarship to the student. For by this Congress smart policy of providing scholarship to the students, that boosted schooling and education system in India. Private sector came forward to build schools, colleges, universities, engineering and medical colleges. The continued. Now I talk about what the Modi government is doing. The propaganda, the rhetorics they are creating, the continued rhetorics by the Hindu religious government, media and BJP leaders created fear and victimhood in most Hindu BJP supporters. By encouraging hatred, they are trying to create a Hindu vote bank. The continuous, by encouraging hatred against Muslims, they are trying to create a Hindu vote bank. The continuous campaign created victimhood among most of the Hindu people. They feel themselves victims, and they fear, and by this fear, when any Muslim killed or anything implicated to Muslims, punished to the Muslims, they are feeling happy and proud to kill Muslims. They are rejoicing in punishing Muslims. Such an attitude is too dangerous. Think thrice for such a game. This will destroy the country and the majority of the people. History teaches us. All Pandits and leaders said, in short, what has the Hindutva movement gained by scapegoating Muslims as a grave danger to India? It is dangerous. This game is very dangerous. I request you to vote for Congress. Congress will bring you development, विकास लाएगा, Congress will bring you development. Congress will bring you happiness. Congress will create and develop infrastructure. Congress develop schools, colleges. Congress provide scholarships, right to health, right to education, right to food, right to home. So vote for Congress and vote for the Congress. Go for the Congress and vote for the Congress. Congress is best for India. Thank you very much.